Today we're making a quick no-bake blueberry cheesecake with jelly. It's perfect for hot days and takes just moments to prepare. You'll find the exact ingredients list in the video description. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. In a bowl, combine 250 g mascarpone, 1 kilogram cottage cheese, 2 tbsp powdered sugar. Mix briefly until ingredients are combined. Add 2 cooled liquid crystal jellies dissolved in a glass. Add when cool, not warm, to avoid curdling. If unavailable, use lemon or any flavor, noting it may change the color. Mix briefly and our cheese mixture is ready. I lined a 26 by 26 centimeters baking tray with parchment paper, then layered it with sponge cakes. I used oblong ones, but round ones work too. I soaked them in milk, but you could use tea or lemon water instead. Next, spread the cheese mixture evenly and chill for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare 2 blueberry jellies. I use 400 g of frozen blueberries. When the jelly starts to set, pour it over the cheese layer. The cheesecake is now ready. I recommend cutting it the next day. Enjoy this delicious treat.